This is a pork schnitzel. So
it's the schnitzel season, people.
It is?
It is schnitzel season.
Is that a t-shirt? So we take a pork tenderloin, it's about 1.25 pounds, and we're gonna cut it into 4 pieces. This is the tail end. So we're not gonna cut it quite in half. We'll sort of move it up like that. And then we'll take each piece and cut it in half lengthwise.
So you're ending up with relatively similar weights and sizes.
Right, exactly.
Right.
And so that way, when you pound it out, you're going to come up with 4 schnitzels, which are about the same size. And then you're going to pound it out. And you can use, by the way, like a saucepan, like a 2 or 3 quart saucepan or anything.
Little heavy skillet?
Yeah, anything. So we're just going to pound this out till it's about 1/4 inch. Don't put your hand there.
It's fine.
Right. Okay. So we have one done. Okay. And so now we're going to do the old 3-part breading.
You want me to whisk up your eggs?
Please. We have flour, a little cornstarch, 2 tablespoons. Cornstarch gives you a crispier crust because the starch is a little bit different than flour. And we're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, which will give you a little bit of lift there. And I'll just that.
A puffy schnitzel.
Yeah, it's a puffy schnitzel. Or it's like a Wiener Schnitzel, which is my favorite schnitzel. And then the flour is important because then the egg yolks and the whites, the eggs will actually coat and hold on to the meat better.
Right, it gives it a grip.
Yeah, it gives it a grip. And then there. We want to throw some panko in there?
Sure, babe.
Okay. And panko is really nice because it's nice and light and crispy, so it actually cooks up nicely.
Yeah, you get an extra crunch factor with it. Here's a muffin bit.
Thank you.
You get an extra crunch factor with it, and it's also great to use up. I always save my bread ends and make homemade breadcrumbs that gives you that consistency, the bigger, puffier pieces. Extra crunch.
We have about 6 tablespoons of oil. We use grapeseed oil a lot now.
Grapeseed oil is great.
Yeah, I found canola oil. Canola oil has a little fishy taste sometimes when you heat it up. And by the way, when you put something in a hot oil, you don't want to just go. It's good to lay it out, going away from you. Yeah. Right. There we are. We'll get another one. Like that.
Some coming along beautifully.
And so these will cook for a few minutes each side, a couple minutes each side. Get them nice and crispy. And then we'll take them out and put them on a sheet here.
Yeah, I put them on a rack too. You don't want the bottom to get gummy. You know, keep them nice and crisp.
There we are. So we have some mayo. We have some arugula there.
Spicy arugula. Yeah. Can I double step?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Why not, right?
So yeah, cut it there.
And you want a double mayo or just a single mayo? Double mayo.
Yes.
There you go. A schnitzel!